Hello, it's Michael from Michael's Flower Garden. Today we're talking about bouquets and sizes of bouquets. This is our big box we send out. It's got $300 worth of flowers in it probably. I've got over 10 bunches. I've got silver dollar yew, grevillea, you can't even see it, big bunches of lemon leaf grevillea. I've got yellow mums, I've got solidago, I've got Queen Anne's lace, which I love. I've got sunflowers, stargazer lilies, there's irises in here, there's stock in here, I don't think you can see those, and more. So, huge box of flowers. I recently ordered some flowers from online companies to do a test, and I got bouquets that were about this big for $85. Our bouquets start at $65 with very inexpensive FedExing overnight. Usually, no companies FedEx overnight but mine. Why? Because it costs you about $280 to FedEx this box overnight. Inside secret, that's why florists don't use FedEx. They use trucks. Cheaper to ship them all over the country. But I have gotten FedEx to FedEx our flowers overnight to your house by 10:30 the next morning. They are chopped, boxed, and gone to you. That's why one of the reasons my flowers last so for weeks. Also because of that magic spray that I'm going to give you. Michael's Magic Spray. So, learn how to design, learn how to keep flowers alive. Stay tuned, I'm coming up with one of my tutorials that you receive also every time you order. Remember, every time you order, you get a tutorial to watch. You also get a secondary bouquet sent to someone in a nursing or assisted facility on your behalf, a nursing home or assisted living facility on your behalf, from everybody saying flower power. You know, some people need a little bit of flowers in their life that haven't received them maybe lately. We'll take care of that. So it's Michael at michaelsflowergarden.com. See you in the fields. Keep blooming.